Hello and welcome to the revision of The Lost Child, the chapter which is in class 9th. In this chapter, we have read, this is a revision video. Before than that, there was another video which you have seen. In this story, there was a child who has gone for a fair along with his parents and he got lost in the fair. So, this story is all about that. And in this series of revision, I have made two videos. In the first video, we'll talk about the writer who has written this story. We'll talk about the characters. We'll talk about the story sketch, that what is the story is all about. In the second video, we'll talk about the part-wise summary of this chapter and also the chapter highlights. So let us begin. So at first we'll talk about the author. This story has been written by a famous Indian writer and his name was Mulk Raj Anand. He was born in 12 December 1905 and died in 28 September 2004. He was a very notable English writer who has written many novels and many stories. He was very famous for his work which he has written for the poor caste and for the traditional Indian society. As R.K. Narayan, Ahmad Ali, Raja Rao, as these writers were famous, Mulk Raj Anand was contemporary of them. Contemporary means of the same time, and they used to write at the same time, same kind of topics. So he has written many novels, many short stories, many classics he has written in English literature, and he was famous as an Indo-Anglian writer. Indo-Anglian writer means he was writing in Indian language also and also in English language. So that's why it's called Indo-Anglian writer. Some of his famous works were Untouchable, Coolie, Two Leaves and a Bud, and all these things. And because of all these works which he has done in Punjabi, Hindustani and other languages, he has got Padma Bhushan also, which is the highest civilian award. Now moving on to the next. So that was about the writer. Now we'll talk about the chapter sketch, that what is that this chapter is all about. So as I have already told you that the name of this chapter is The Lost Child. The author tries to explore the mind of a child. This story also highlights the child's love for his parents. If you have seen the previous videos where we are talking about this chapter, so at first the child has gone to the fair and whatever he is watching during going from his house to the fair, everything he wanted to buy or he wanted to take. But as soon as he lost his parents in the fair and a person, a stranger who wanted to console that child from crying, he wanted to make him stop crying. So he wanted to give all those things, whatever he wanted earlier, but he declined all those things. He said that, I don't want anything now. I only want my parents. So this particular story is all about that. So this story also highlights to child's love for his parents. The child goes to a fair with his parents. He's very excited and wants sweets and toys displayed there. His parents don't buy these things for him, but very soon he gets separated from his parent as he is left behind looking at various toys and other things. When he realizes that his parents are nowhere near him, he starts crying unconsolably. Unconsolably means he was crying so badly that nobody could make him stop. That is called inconsolable. He refuses everything which is offered by others. He only wants his parents and keeps crying. So that was the story. Now we are moving on to the characters. So there are 4 central characters in this particular story. The first one is obviously the lost child. So here is a child who is the central character who gets fascinated with each and everything whatever he is seeing while he was going to the village spring fair, and loses his contact with his parents. So this story is roaming around that child only. The other characters are the parents of the lost child, who were again those parents were good, but they were careless enough that each and every time, means once they have forgot to take him along with take the child along with them, and because of that the problem has happened. Because of that the child got lost. The person, and the fourth character is the person who found him. Okay, so a strange person is very helpful person who tries to distract the child by offering him many things but fails. So these are the four central characters in this story. And in the next video, now we'll talk about the part-wise summary of this, and that will be all in this revision video. Till the time, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.